Okay, first round tayo mga kababayan. Eman Bacosa versus Nico Salado. Round 6 tong laban na to ha. Tignan natin kung ano yung improvement ni Eman Bacosa, anak ni Pacquiao. Bacosa fighting in black trunks with black gloves and the opponent fighting in blue trunks. Ang laki ng batang to. Mga bago lang, this is Eman Bacosa versus Nico Salado. Opening fight for Trilla in Manila 2. Good job. Kulang pa talaga, kailangan pang i-polish to si Eman Bacosa. Pero syempre, di ba? Baguhan pa lang eh. Antayin nyo pag ano no. By the way mga kababayan, lumalaban to sa lightweight. Good counter by Eman. Yung kalaban rough and rugged, Brad. Nagre-reklamo si Eman, di ba? Ako yung mga overhand ng kalaban ha. Medyo kumukonekta. Good job. Naku. Dugo na pala yung kilay ni Eman, Brad. Naku, mukhang upset to ha. Tignan natin. Undefeated pa lang si Eman ha. Nag-aantayan. Walang sumusuntok oh. Kailangan igalaw ni Eman yung katawan niya, Brad. Yung upper body niya. Baka mapektusan siya eh. Mukhang nangangamoy upset to ha. Undefeated pa lang sa Eman ha. Good overhand by the opponent. Itong si Salado, 2 wins, 1 loss with 1 draw, diba? Pero may amateur background to. Talagang pumipektos yung Salado, Brad. Double jab sabay straight. Kailangan may gawin si Eman dito. Yun, mga ganon, good straight. Naku, napakadelikado ng overhand na yun. Solid yung katawan ni Eman, no? Along the way, makikita natin yung improvement nito. Ako nakakakuha ng momentum yung Salado, Brad. Nauutakan niya rin eh kasi after niyang umabante at umatake, sabay konting yakap, 'di ba? Di maka-counter yung Eman. Good job. Nangangamoy upset talaga to. Good job. Naku, hindi tumatama si Eman, Brad. Pupuruhan siya ng kalaban. Okay, tumama yung straight na yon. Partially black, pero puntos pa rin. Okay, end of third round. Good job by Eman. Nararamdaman nung Salado yung lakas ng ano. Aba. May lakas talaga eh. Jab pa lang oh, pero yung ano niya, yung right hand niya nakababa. Baka makauntiran eh. May killer instinct din. Kailangan talaga nito ni Eman, intensive training talaga, 'di ba? Uy, good counter by Salado.
He's got to attack. That's what he's doing. But again, by Salado for Bacosa, which is the way it should be.
Uy, bagsak.
I don't think that's a knockdown.
Na-counteran.
That's a slip. Did they call a knockdown?
Naku, nakatikim ng ano, lakas ng anak ni Pacquiao. Di ba? Okay, tinuloy. Aba, siya pa yung matapang, Brad, oh. Uy, naku. Sobrang open sa counter.
fighters weighing a little over the lightweight.
Kakapaan.
35.
Mahirap pektusan.
Definitely still a lot of
Pick mo yung
fights
jab.
for these two gentlemen. And Bacosa's
Medyo kailangan, good counter ba Eman?
timing connect.
Diba? Depensa. Tapos yung panga niya, pack in din. Sa, yung, kumbaga yung liig niya, Brad.
Looks like Salado's willing to take those
Mahariba sa Salado,
jabs.
hindi tumatama.
That he hopes
Yung
to
Eman, susubukan ko ma-counter, di ba? Good job.
out of lefts once again.
Haba ng kamay, no?
Salado with a left jab
Kung sakali ikaw maka-upset kay Eman Bacosa, Brad, undefeated yan. Ano yung achievement yun? Anak ni Pacquiao yan eh. Di ba? May pagmamalaki mo yun sa career mo na tinalo mo yung anak ni Pacquiao. Di ba? Oh, boh. Ipo makunochi to, Brad, oh. Didemsi roll. Diba headbutt?
Scoring an outcome. There he's once again leading with his
Ayun, oh.
head as he comes in. Talking about Salado. Almost warnings already. Looks like a toy ball.
Uy! Grabe.
That's not right. You should get a warning. You can't stay too long kneeling. That's not right. Bacosa again.
Nakko!
The danger. But it doesn't seem that Salado can try to take advantage. Succession of blows once again. Well, that's a rabbit punch. Of coach of referee Hajuka.
10 seconds count.
Final 10 seconds. Another left jab.
Nakko, tinamaan si Eman, Brad. Malakas din yung kalaban eh, oh.
Desperate. He launches his attack.
Okay, final round tayo mga kababayan.
To go. Bacosa fighting out of the MP Boxing Gym in General.
Oh, grabe galaw ng kalaban, oh.
Salado is
May depensa rin eh. Nakko, binanatan yung katawan. Uy! Feeling ko may mananockout dito bago matapos ang laban. Mainit yung dalawa.
he does have power.
Uy!
Especially his chin here.
Yun yun.
Solid.
Alerto, Brad. Di ba?
With it gone here in our final round. Again, just plowing in. Right hand.
Bang! Grabe yung kalaban, Brad. Muntik malaglag.
Outside the ring.
Gigil na gigil eh.
Good job there by
Si Eman lang din, parang masyadong mabait. Di ba? Pag nasa ring ka talaga, Brad, dapat ano ka eh.
Salado found it.
Attentive ka talaga. Yung kalaban mo, gusto kong patulugin yan. At any given time, makahanap ng opportunity. Di ba? Kaya kailangan ano ka,
In the 1 minute mark here.
stay alert.
Final round.
Di ba? Protect yourself at all times. Kahit madulas ka dyan, wag mawala yung yung tingin mo sa kalaban.
Ouch, a little bit too low here. Is back that low. But you can't.
Uy! Naku, tapilok.
He gets tagged. Salado.
Lo! Pag decision automatic, Eman Bacosa to.
Salado's going
Headbutt.
for broke here. Look for that very lucky punch. Third. This fight.
Uy, binanatan oh. Nice! Good left. Naku, tumatakbo!
Once again, wants to end this early. Might have hurt Salado. Salado's holding on. Away from Bacosa. He's just holding
Final 10 seconds, Brad. Buhos mo na.
Still trying to get lucky here.
Ayaw
He's gonna
pasuntukin.
run out of time. That's the end of the fight. It's going to be a lopsided victory for sure here for Emma.